Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara from No Sleep Boutique. Anyways, this video is going to be about the top must-have business ebooks for $5 plus. And yeah, they were written by me, but it don't really matter because I'm realistic. Everything I write about is what I've experienced, and it actually works. So, anyways, let's touch ourselves up. Y'all like my locks? I went back to my locks and I cut them this time because, I feel like they look better, shorter, and it's hot. So, yeah. Sorry about that light in the middle of my forehead, but when I move, it disappears. Nothing is perfect. Okay. But anyway, let's get to the first ebook that you must have, written by me, and they're $5 plus. So, all right, the first ebook is How to Make Sales Every Day for Small Businesses. This is for small businesses. How to make sales every day. See. So basically, but besides Shopify, I sell on other platforms as well. And I list those platforms in this ebook right here because I was just about to tell y'all what's all up in this ebook, and y'all need to buy it. It's $5. So I sell on other platforms to be able to make sales every day. Because if you sell in more than one spot, then you have, or more than one platform, then you have a better chance of, making a sale, at least one sale every day. So I don't just sell on my main website, nosleepboutique.com. I sell on other platforms. So, that's how you can make sales every single day. Even when it's slow, you can make one sale. And of course, you can have a sale. So, yeah. So that summed up this ebook, and this ebook is $5. $5. It's about I think it's 8 pages. I believe 8 pages. And this is my first ebook that I've written. All right, the next ebook, 10 Lazy Jobs. 10 Lazy Jobs. Okay, if y'all watched my previous video, y'all know that I went over the 10 Lazy Jobs. I already gave y'all 2 of them already, and I added 5 bonus jobs on there. So altogether it's 15 lazy jobs, and I gave y'all 2 already. So if y'all want the 2 out of 15, go look at my previous video because I am not about to repeat it here. So yeah, 10 lazy jobs. Yep, and basically it is what it is. 10 lazy jobs that you can do, for extra income. Yep, written by me, and this one is also $5 as well. $5. What else? Yeah, that's about it. I've already went over 2 of them in a previous video, so go back and look at 2 of them. And yeah, so, and this one I think is about 10 pages. And y'all, my $5 ebooks are not novels. So you can't expect 30, 40, 50 pages for $5. No, that's like a $50, $60 ebook if it's going to be that long. So, yeah. All right, my next one is Shopify tips. Like this right here is definitely a must-have if you're using Shopify. I give some apps that you need to use, must-have apps. In this ebook, as well as some tips in this ebook as well that you need for Shopify, or if you're starting your business and you plan on using Shopify platform, you need this because I let you know what's the best app to use with the platform, and some tips and tricks. So yeah, And okay, so this one is $5 plus. $5 plus for this one. And let's see. One of my favorite ebooks. This one is oh my god. This one is $20 because it has a video attached to it. The top 10 apps for content creating. Like these top 10 apps will be all you need for content creating. You will not need any other apps. So I bet y'all don't even have 6 apps out of the 10. I bet y'all don't. Y'all probably got a few of the apps, but y'all ain't got all 10 of them. And I had to do a video for one of the apps explaining how to use it because me just, writing about it, y'all wasn't gonna get it. So I had to do a video demonstration for one of the apps so y'all can, really know how to use the apps. But yeah, these apps, top 10 apps for content creating, yeah, this is one of my favorite ebooks. And this is $20, I think. Yeah, $20 because it got a video. I did a video for one of them. So yeah, this is it's a long ebook as well. About 15, 20 pages, maybe a little less than that. Okay, next one. 9 things to do before you quit your 9 to 5. Now, if y'all watched my previous video, I gave like a few things that you should do before you quit your 9 to 5. So if you go back and look at that video, I already give out like 3 or 4 things you should do before you quit your job. So yeah, go back and look at that video because I'm not about to say it again on this video. And go look at that video, and yeah, you'll see like 3 or 4 things that you should do before you quit your 9 to 5. And I end up doing an ebook on it, and it's like 5 more things. I added 5 more things you need to do before you quit your 9 to 5. Even though I made a video on it already, I added 5 more things that is not in the video, and I put it in the ebook. So yeah, you really need this one. If you plan on quitting your job to do whatever, read this ebook before you do. Read it. Actually, I wish I read this before I quit my 9 to 5, but I'm good though. I am great. I love the freedom. I love it. Okay, now this ebook, it's nothing personal. How to deal with tightwad customers, like, big businesses have them, small businesses have them, or whatever, And then sometimes I be having customers, tell me their business. A couple of them, I'm like, I don't need to know all that. Tell me their finance business. I'm like, I don't need to know all that, okay? But y'all already know what to do. Sell, 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 sell. If you had inventory for 2, 3, 4 years, go ahead and put that on sale, like low sale, because that's the only way you're going to get rid of it. Because if it's still there for 4 or 5 years later, go ahead and put that thing on sale. And that's how you're going to get them tightwads to buy it. But basically, a tightwad is somebody that doesn't like to spend money, likes to hold on to their money, like they're not going to make the money back. But yeah, that's what a tightwad is. Somebody that don't really like to spend money, somebody that's cheap or whatever. But like, don't take it personal. This has nothing to do with my customers or nothing like that. It's not about nobody particular. But all businesses have tightwad customers. So yeah, so if you want to know how to deal with them, get this ebook. It's $5 plus as well. All right. And by the way, well, we're going to get to there. And 50 plus sales, less than 24 hours. If y'all look back at my previous videos, y'all see me packing a whole bunch of orders. One video, I was packing 30 plus. Another video, I think I was packing about 20 plus, and then another video I was packing 40 plus. Like, I had a major sale on my pre-made onesies. Yeah, so that's what made me get like 50 plus orders less than a day or in 24 hours. So yeah, and this ebook is telling you all about it, how I did it, and yeah, where I promoted it at and everything. So yeah, that's this one. And I didn't even know I was going to be writing this ebook. I was like, you know what? Let me just, I got 50 plus sales. I want to write about it. Let me tell people how I got 50 plus sales. And maybe they can do it too for their business or whatever. So, but this one is $5 as well. See. All right. And the next one. All right, how to create an ebook for free. This one right here. And I didn't even know I was writing this ebook either. But yeah, I created all my ebook covers, except for the 10 lazy jobs. But yeah, I created all my ebook covers, and I created them for free. The platform that I use is free. So yeah, I also show y'all how I create an ebook cover as well. So this ebook is $20 because I have 3 videos attached to this ebook. So it's $20 for this ebook. So yeah, this is a must-have because I didn't pay anything to create the covers. I didn't pay anything to create my ebooks as well. So yeah. And this also goes back to the 10 apps, top 10 apps for content creating. You're gonna need like a couple of those apps in that ebook to create an ebook for free. All right, so that's that one. Sorry, y'all. Let me make sure y'all can see it. Push my hair up a little bit. All right, so last but not least, it is my favorite ebook cover design as well. It is Baddie on a Budget, 10 Steps, Baddie on a Budget. This ebook is basically, if you're trying to be a little baddie on a budget, and I basically just, let you know, where to shop for cheap clothing, how to live. I let you know how to budget, and yeah, just basically things that you need to be doing to budget. Like towards the end, it's more so about budgeting, but baddie on a budget. But yeah, I let you know how to save, manage money, and all that stuff in this ebook. And this ebook is $5. Yeah, see? Look at it. I also have another ebook that I've written already, but it's not ready to come out yet. So it's already written up, it's just not ready to come out yet. And that's it for all my ebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 ebooks. 9 ebooks. So those are the top 9 business ebooks that you must have that I've written. Like, I can write an ebook like 1, 2, 3. Like, all I need is a title, and bam, I'm gone typing up away. So Should I be looking here or here? I should be looking right here. But yeah, so that's it, y'all. So I hope I'm gonna leave the description for the link to purchase all the ebooks down below in the description, so that you can purchase if you want to purchase or whatever. See what I'm talking about. And that's another video. That's another video. I don't need to add that there. But check out the website nosleepboutique.com for my business ebooks. And yeah, so that's about it. And it's a wrap for this video. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, business, get ready with me, testing products, all that stuff, hauls, whatever. I do a little bit of everything that I do here pertains to business. So yeah, so all right, y'all, see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.